the Dalit girls being raped, murdered, and after that burned by the police, by the government of UP. This is so horrible, so bad. If the government gonna do some this kind of act back in India to the Dalit people or to the Indian citizens, who is protected back in India? So this is nobody. So it's very shameful for the government of India and shameful for the government of UP, who are protecting blindly the rapist, the murderers, but not protecting the victim. This kind of example is hard to find in the world, but unfortunately we can find a lot back in India. So far we don't see anything. A strong rule implemented by the government or any kind of a strong action for the victim. The racist people, the Manuvadi people, they continue having the meetings in their town against the victim. And the UP government, they are protecting them, the people who are the rapists. And they are supporting, they are not kind of trying to segregate them. They let them have the meetings, all kind of meetings. It's a shame for the government. Since the BJP came in power since 2014, especially in the UP, the Hinduism being promoted so much, and they are molesting, they are killing. It's a violence all over the world, all over the India right now in these days. Everybody can see that. So that's something we want to bring to government attention, that India is not a Hindu country. It's a country of everybody. There's a Muslim, there's a Christians, there's a Dalits, there's a Buddhist, Jains. I think India is the only country has the most different diversity in the world. So, but unfortunately, since the BJP came, Hinduism being so much powerful, and they are trying to, kill the people, other minorities. So that's something we want to bring to government attention, so they can do something about it. Whole world is watching this thing. It's not only the Indian people. The whole world is watching what's happening in India. So that's what all the world is kind of raising the voice. All our brothers and sisters, they are protesting in all the consulate offices, all kind of government offices. So that's something we want to bring to government attention. We want justice. We want justice. Girls should be protected. Hathras girls should be protected. जात पात बंद करो, जात पात बंद करो, मनुवाद बंद करो.